Hello friends, how are you doing? Today I will take you to a very beautiful place. So come with me. The place you are seeing now is called Stenpiren and it is very close to the way of my office. From here people take city ferries to Lindholmen Klippan. Friends, Lindholmen is a very happening place and there are lot of IT companies. A lot of Indians work in Lindholmen. My husband's office was also in Lindholmen before, but now it's moved. In Lindholmen, the engineering department of the Chalmers University is also situated. You know all that Chalmers is a very famous university in Sweden. So this place is a very busy place. Friends, what are you seeing in the video now is the jetty area and soon I will take a boat to show you around. Friends, the ticket for this boat is included with the bus monthly ticket. In Gothenburg, only one company operates all the transportation. It is called västtrafik. I take a monthly ticket of 640 krona to avail all the transportation service. The ticket for the transport service is available through a mobile application, so we do not buy physical tickets. But you can buy physical ticket also if you want. There is another application called Resa Planera. Resa is a Swedish word which means travel. In this application, we monitor live timing of the bus, tram or ferry. So we do not have to wait longer at the bus stop or tram stop or the jetty stop. And during winter it is very helpful because you can't wait outside during the winter time. It is very difficult. Transportation here is quite reliable and yet the services are available till very late at the night and start very early in the morning. So I hope friends you have enjoyed the video and I will see you another video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Friends, later in this video you will find ship of Stena Line. So in one of my previous videos I have shown ships of Viking line called Cinderella. Similarly, Stena Line operates from Gothenburg and travels to Denmark and Germany. So please keep on watching and you will find this video interesting.